Okay, and we're back with another Imagine Ryan Helman Dude Perfect video reaction video. So today we're going to be reacting to Dude Perfect's latest video, which they just posted 12 hours ago, Airplane Stereotypes. Okay, and Dude Perfect fans have been asking for this video probably for like 2 years now, because people have been saying, do airplane stereotypes, do airplane stereotypes, do school stereotypes. Because a lot of people have just been asking for stereotypes, especially for airplanes. I don't know why, or slumber party, or school, or there's just lots of things which people ask for sometimes that Dude Perfect just can't do until they just have the time is right. Okay, so we're gonna be reacting to airplane stereotypes right now. All right, and if you guys haven't watched it yet, then I haven't either. Okay, so trust me, this is my first time watching it. All right, so we're gonna get started. Let me just adjust the mirror, and we're gonna press play, and here we go. Airplane stereotypes.
Yeah, this is your captain speaking. Please remain seated until we reach the gate. Skymal? Yeah.
Oh wait.
Hey buddy, do me a solid.
Okay, so is Kobe wearing the ostrich pillow? Actually, that is the ostrich pillow from overtime 11.
I'm just gonna leave this right here. Oh, that is a game changer.
Okay, hang on. Okay, so first of all, so why would you put a tablet harness around somebody's neck? That just makes them uncomfortable, right? Okay, because I wouldn't do that. And yet, the last time that I took a flight was probably about 10 years ago to Hawaii. All right. Sorry about that. We're going to continue on. It's like...
Is this a plane or a sauna? Yeah, my flight got canceled.
What's your name?
Ty. It's just TY.
Your flight was
Canceled.
canceled.
Yep.
Oh,
Is there one available?
no.
Tomorrow?
What was your name again?
Ty.
Hi.
T-Y.
Oh, I'm gonna try somewhere else. Thank you.
All right.
I think we should talk to the passengers. Cool. Hi, everybody. This is Captain Cody speaking. We are now at our cruise. Where'd my movie go? You are free to move about the cabin. Excuse me. We ever pushed this button before? We're about to hit some turbulence. Passengers, we're about to execute a barrel roll.
Oh yeah, okay, so first, first of all, picture being in an airplane like that, and you have to rush to the bathroom, and you have no idea what is actually ahead of you. Either some turbulence or somebody's already in the bathroom, and you have to just let it all out. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so just so you know, I have to cut this video and go like 30 seconds ahead, because I cannot show the entire video, because because that would qualify as copywriting for the country, and I can't have that. So we're just gonna go 30 seconds more and to right here. All right, and we're continuing.
Usually I have to fight for these things.
Okay, 1 second. So how many of you guys have an have an iPhone charger, and how many of you guys have a Samsung charger? Because I have an iPhone charger. See? But back then, I used to have those like flip phones, or those like Samsung ones with the keypad on them, instead of the now iPhone with everything on it. Just wanted to put that out there. Okay, first I need to readjust the screen. There we go, that's better.
Dude, are you staring at my daughter?
Okay, that's kind of like a staring contest of where you're going. Like Michelangelo's David, like going. People would probably think you're a weirdo.
She started it. Come on, man, that's weird.
It is.
In the flame charred, vermin on a stick. This is wild! I don't know what to do with this, man.
No, thank you. That's not mine.
Maybe your husband? Yeah, I'll take it.
Is this your bag?
Yes, sir.
Need to do a bag check.
Okay. Oh,
Sir, is this your axe?
no, that may be somebody else's.
Is your name Tyler?
Yes, sir.
It says Tyler's axe right there.
I'm going to jail, aren't I?
Now, just make sure next time you fly, make sure you put the cap on.
Okay.
Be safe. Never know.
Okay, for a second or two, I thought that he was going to use it on the conveyor belt.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Hey, it's Sparky.
Sorry, I belt. Don't walk back through it. Spread 'em. Spread 'em. Got a box cutter in there? Bingo. Fresh toothpaste. Oh, toothpaste, huh? Sure looks like an eye. He's thinking of me. I'm over it.
Okay, so first of all, how many people use Crest? Or do you use Colgate? Or do you use Arm & Hammer? I use Crest all the time. It's the #1 toothpaste in the United States.
Move on, Stan. Come on. Come on. We're doing it around. Tray table's not locking. Dude, what are you doing? Just finishing up a birdhouse. Why'd you walk like that? Do something wrong. Oh my gosh, turbulence. What is happening? Did you hear the pilot this first time?
That's probably because out of everybody there, Garrett is the person who's the most afraid of heights, other than Cody.
I'm flying. You sure that's okay?
Okay, hang on. Okay, did he just go... Is that really supposed to channel people's frustrations?
That many pills? These are just marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Feel bad for the people in the back. I'm about to blow this thing up. Yes, sir. That guy that just went back there, I said he's gonna blow up the plane.
The huge
In a
misunderstanding.
couple of minutes, the whole plane's gonna feel that one. What do you have to say for yourself? Just the number 2! There's 2 more! Heidi ho, Martin Berger.
Hey, I gotta readjust the camera real quick.
Here, buddy, Martin Berger. Told
Okay.
ya. I wasn't lying to you. Says here you've been in close contact with fruits, seeds, and soil. Yo, don't freak out or anything. That can be our little secret. No, there's no secret to TSA. Yeah, I'm gonna have to confiscate this full bag. To the next bag, not keeping that one. Last question: have you been around or seen any livestock? You guys are so thorough with your questions. It's unbelievable. Yeah, I found this little livestock. I've got to get now, sir. You are going to be detained in cell. Sir, Mark. Come on, empty row, empty row, empty row. Good night. Is that Goliath and his buddy? Next to a little guy. This is nice. I mean, I'm not that little. I'm 5'9".
I'm 5'12", as a matter of fact.
But I got crawfish if you want some. Can you hear it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody can hear it. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. Oh. I think I'm good. Thanks. Do you want to sit in the middle so y'all can see?
Okay, so first of all, why would you hand somebody a drink that they had, all the while you put your fingers in the drink? That's COVID-19 spreading.
Oh, no. That's perfect. That's good.
Can you tell why I went to the restroom?
Oh, yeah. Great with kids. It's okay.
Please shut that window, dude.
It's the same. I'm sorry.
I know.
Where are you flying to? Anaheim?
Yep.
Oh, we were all flying to Anaheim.
Anaheim?
See, big hat guy. What kind of head shape do you have? Oh, you're bald. I love flying.
I never forgot that Garrett was bald.
Yeah, I cannot wait.
Nice backpack. Where's it from?
Nomadic.
Oh my gosh, there's so many compartments in this. Wow. Hi, where are you going?
Bathroom?
To the bathroom. You mean to Anaheim?
Kids on board!
I would not like to have that on.
We're gonna drop the oxygen masks. That didn't reach the cockpit. It's a well, the only good thing about a mental seat is you get both armrests. That's weird. I always heard of his first come, first serve. Hey, can you see the Grand Canyon out there?
Okay, so okay. So first of all, so when you're on an airplane, how many times do you happen to see people fight for the armrest? It's like no, this is mine. You have yours. No, this is mine. I'm the one with the middle. And look at Corey. He doesn't even care. He's like. Okay, wait. Did
Hey, can you see the Grand Canyon out there? No, can't see it.
Okay, I think that they just made a reference to the movie Airplane where they just dunked some water on their faces, like, to wake somebody up. I think that, I think when he tossed the water on his face, that, so that was in the classic Airplane movie.
Hey, my bird's not bothering you, is it?
But that's Garrett's wife, Kristen, he's sitting next to.
I mean, it's probably bothering that lady now. Sorry, my snake just needed to stretch out. She's in her seat. Her neck is just long. Paid for this seat. You're freaking out my Amy right now. I need you to calm down. I'll give you a tax sign so fast.
Kind of works.
Where you guys headed? We're on our honeymoon. Me and Sugar Bear. Oh, Sugar Monkey.
That's Kobe and Aubrey,
Y'all might want to
his wife.
No, we are. Not talking about for life. Yeah, looks like we're going to have about a 30-minute delay. That's fine. These are fast. Oh, by the way, I have night terrors, so just don't wake me up. What'd you say?
He's like, what'd you say?
Oh, praise God. Easy flight?
It was.
Yeah, it said you're going to be here like 15 minutes ago. That's my bad.
Okay, so just before we go any further, how many of you guys use Uber still? Even if you have a driver's license, how many of you guys use an Uber? Because I always use Uber. It's actually quite fun.
Left lane. Need a left lane. Exit's on the left. Right. No, exit. Oh, you know what? I was going to show you this water tower. I don't care about the water tower. It's an investment.
I think we're getting closer to the Rage Monster.
Water tower I've ever seen. And the gates are closed. Okay, and I just missed my flight.
Wait, I just called it. Now he cares about the airport.
That's your strategy? A little hacksaw? You're kicking it? Are you serious?
Is that really budging? Hey, it's Zach King. It's Zach King.
Please don't do it. Don't clap.
I think we should all do it.
Hey,
Bloopers.
Martinburg, Wampanoag, Minnesota.
Right, it's like, attention, this is your captain speaking. We'll be landing in Los Angeles at around 11:14 p.m. Attention, this is your captain speaking. We'll be landing in Los Angeles around 11:14 p.m. It's like, attended, this is your county theme. Please put on your turbulence. We're going to have your seatbelts fastened. We're hitting some turbulence in the next 15 minutes, okay?
Burger, Wampanoag, Minnesota. What's your name?
Business class?
Are you typing that? Or? Okay, ready? No, I'm not.
You ready to lock in that order?
Yeah, we're thinking we're both gonna do the flamed moose.
Yummy. Just poop myself. Blame the person. The last one was not me.
Thanks for watching, guys. Special thanks to our friends at Nomadic for sponsoring the.
Well. Another successful Dude Perfect video by Dude Perfect, yours truly. So once again, guys, just before we wrap this up, I'd like to thank every single one of you guys for subscribing, because in just a matter of 5 months, I've gone from a YouTuber who was with 2,661 subscribers to now with 4,132 subscribers right now. That is insane. And I thank every single one of you who is watching me, supporting me, and always keeping your dreams alive, okay? So until the next reaction video, support everybody. Make sure that you guys are always keeping your heart full of joy. And until next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that like button, because I swear you won't regret anything that you see here. Until next time, I'm Ryan Helman, your imagination host, and I'll see you next time.